So Samsung Galaxy A16 5G first time setup. Just open your phone. Press the power button. Now if you want to insert your SIM, then just use this pin, and you can insert your SIM and SD card as well. So I'm inserting my SIM. Make sure you're using the nano SIM. Yeah, this way. And if you have SD card, you can also insert it. And then press on start. Select your region and language as well. Press on start and press on agree all. And if you want to transfer data from old Android to your new Android, then you can see the Android device, select this device, and if you have iPhone, then you have to select iPhone. But if you don't want to transfer any data, set up manually. Now you can start with Wi-Fi, but I want to skip it right now. Now don't copy, then press on get start with the smart switch. Next, allow. Now go back. Sorry, don't copy. Now when your phone is starting and connect with internet, this part automatically update, so just skip it right now. Press on accept. Now set a pattern. Now agree. Select your theme, light or dark. Now almost done. Finish. Now your phone is ready to use. Yeah. Now one thing you need to do, just go to your setting and you have to sign in with a Gmail account or create a Galaxy account. So you have to connect with your internet first and just sign in with a Gmail account. Then you can access all the advanced feature on your Samsung Galaxy AI, and you can take a backup, etc. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.